Alright, you're back. Here we are, back here at Paddington. We just put these posts in today. Yesterday we put the 4 in over there and over there. So we put these 3 in. That's part of a wind wall the engineers organised. And we've got pieces of struts coming off of that left, right and centre coming over to this sea channel and going across to hold the roof up. You'll see that as we build it. Yeah, that's what the engineer wants, that's what he gets. So that's a weird, wonderful wall, that one. But we are getting a lot of wind. Like I'm standing on the southeast corner of the block at the moment, and we've had wind all day. Today's the coldest day so far this year in Brisbane. And yeah, southwest wall I should say, what am I saying, not southeast, southwest. We get westerlies that come straight over the top. Right now they're coming from over there, coming straight across, and they're cold. But of course cold for us, if you don't live in Queensland, cold for us is anything under 20 degrees. So, and with that breeze that's been going all day, gusting, it cuts right through you. But yeah, so it's been gusting, and yeah, it feels like to me about 5 degrees, but it's probably about 15. But I'm used to the 30-degree heat, not used to this cold stuff. All right, so yeah, I'm a bit of a wussy. But we've got those in there. We take the brackets off Thursday. We've got to go away on another job tomorrow. We're back here. Here's our steel beams. We've got to prep those, paint them, get them ready. We've got a steel beam going here in the middle of the floor height, and another one up there on the roof going across for the portal frame. Steel beam going across from there right across to there. This is all one big open atrium here. It's going to be real nice when it's finished. And yeah, we've got bits and pieces of steel going everywhere. Here's another steel beam going across there at the top. Probably a 380 PFC yet, we're not sure. Waiting for the engineer to come back because we're not happy with the one he said we're putting in there. 8 metre span, and all he wants is a 250. Not happening. All right, yeah. Otherwise, that's what we've done. That's what we're doing. We're about ready to head off. It's after 3 o'clock, and being winter solstice, the sun, it's dark here at 5. So we've cleaned up, just a bit more cleaning to do. A couple of rollers we've got to move, and then we're out of here. Alrighty, thought I'd just show you guys that. So we're finished for the day. We're reasonably exhausted after moving all this steel from over there over to here, and we've now got to use that and move it around more yet. But life of a steel worker. Okay, I think that's it. All the piers were done today. They filled up all the holes because he's got a waffle pod system going in here. Hilton's done the footing on the side, so there's no more holes. Everything that happens now is coming out of the ground for Hilton. All the holes are done. The only thing he's got to fill in now is the gap between the footing and the retainer wall, which is his property boundary. That fence is in the wrong place. So that's being done through there. And yeah, otherwise all going well. We start on Thursday, we start prepping the steel and get ready to put steel beams in underneath the house. Alrighty, thanks for viewing. I've started waffle on. We will talk again soon. Please, if you would be so kind as hit the like button, it'd be much appreciated, and the subscribe button would be great. Okay, as we build this channel, we're getting there. We're finally monetized. We're finally getting YouTube recommending us on view sites, so it's great. It's nice to start having things happen after 2 years out in the boondocks. Alrighty, catch you again soon. Thanks for coming along. See you soon. Bye.